Morning friends, today I am going to demonstrate how to use automation using the ChatGPT. So as you can see on the right hand corner, this is the lab topology for me where I have two XR devices, one Arista device and one Juniper device. So in the today's demonstration, I am going to show you the four network automation tasks which I am going to perform using the ChatGPT. So ChatGPT helps you if you don't know any automation, but you need to automate few tasks in your network. So these are the four tasks which I am going to perform today. So first is to get the running configuration from the Cisco, Juniper and Arista device. So these are the IP addresses, these are the credentials, and this is the command we need to run on each device to get the configuration, running configuration. So your information or your input to the ChatGPT should be crisp and clear. Then you will get the wonderful output. You will get the complete output which you want. Let's check for this first section and let's see what we get. So for ChatGPT we have two versions, that is 3.5 and GPT-4. GPT-4 is available for paid version, but 3.5 is free version. So we will check with the 3.5 and let's see how it reacts. So I enter my requirement here, and based on that one ChatGPT will respond me with the Python program. So first it's asked me to install the Netmiko. So this is my Visual Studio Code where I'm going to run the Python and any other programs. So I'm installing the Netmiko here. It is done, and this is the program which is generated by the ChatGPT. So here it is using the Netmiko connect handler to connect to the devices. These are the devices in the list. Devices type, its IP address and credentials. If you don't want to enter the password here and you need to enter it manually secretly, then you can use the gate pass. This is the for loop, and this is the exception handling. In the first try method it will try this particular commands, and in case if it didn't work, then it will go to the, or it will print this below line that it's failed to connect. So here he will try to call the connect handler using these devices, and then he will send those commands to each devices, and he will print that output. So let's copy this script, Python Netmiko script, and let's create one Python program. Show run output .py extension is for Python, and let's paste this output and save this, and let's run this script and see what exactly we get. First we got from XR2, XR1, this is from XR2, this is from Juniper, and this is for Arista. Let's see again. This is from XR1, This output we got from XR2. This output we got from Juniper, and this output we got from the Arista. So successfully we got the show running output from all those devices. So we can say that our first task is working fine perfectly. So in the second task, I'm going to run the I'm going to get the show running configuration again, but I need to take it back up and save it to this text file. So this is the login IP address for the router, and then dot text. So it should save output in the same folder. So let's try to create the script for this one. So sometime it happened that in first try itself you won't get any perfect script, but you need to keep trying. You need to try and error. You need to just trial and error method. And if you get any error while running those scripts, just copy and paste here, because the ChatGPT works based on feedback mechanism. It keeps all the it tracks or keeps all the information whatever you are doing. So if you paste any error code here, then it will see what was your earlier program and what is the error code, so it will try to correct it. So let's see how exactly it works. So I have copied this script and then create a new file, backup config.py, paste it, save this configuration, and I am running this script now, and let's see what exactly we get. Okay, we got some exception here. So let's copy this complete error here and paste it in the chat GPT and ask him again that give me the perfect code based on these errors. In the correct type script, it's saying that I removed the command stream from parameter device configuration and instead use netconnect send command show run after establishing connection to all the devices. Let's copy and paste this information. This is the backup config, and then we are going to run the script. Okay, again we got some error message, so let's copy and paste it again, and let's see how ChatGPT is going to react. Okay, it says that I remove output file parameter from the device configuration, means from here if you see the earlier output, it's called this parameter here, but in the new script it is removed from the device config, and then it has put it as a separate. So let's copy in it and try to run it, save it, and I'm running this Python script now. Yes, 37 configuration save, 38 yes, 34 and 36 yes. So we didn't get output from the Juniper device, but we got from Arista XR1 and XR2. So let's paste this command that didn't get output, get the output from Juniper device, and let's see how ChatGPT react to it. So let's copy this code. So what changes? It's saying that okay, it's modified, use send command method command show configuration display set to retrieve the configuration. So let's see. Backup config, save this configuration. Before that we will remove these files, clear the configuration, clear the output, and then we will run this script and see how exactly it reacts. So yes, 37 we got, 38 we got fail for 34. We will go back to the script. So 34 still we didn't get, it is the same Juniper device. So let's copy and paste this error into the chat script. So I changed device type for Junos to Juniper Junos and then send command. So it's giving some whatever changes it has done. So let's copy it and paste it to the backup config scripts. Save it, clear it. So before that we'll remove these files, then run the script. We got 37, we got 38, we got 34, we got 36. So let's check the 34 first. Yes, this time we got the output in display set format, and this is the output from the Arista, this is the output from the XR, and this is the backup output from the XR2. So this is how we can get the backup by using the ChatGPT help, even though if you don't know any scripting. So this is our second task. So third task is to get the neighborship output. So it could be ISIS or OSPF. So here I am running the ISIS between all these four devices. So I'll get the ISIS neighbor agency status. So let me copy and paste this to ChatGPT and let me ask, and sorry, I can't assist it. So I need to open one more window because it has some limits. ChatGPT 3.5, which is free version, has some limits. So I have opened the another window and let me ask it again. So probably we will get the error for these commands whatever typing here in the under the device configuration, but let's see. So we should get error for this one, but let's see how it reacts. So I'm copying this and then new one, that is show isis adjacency.py. I'm copying this file, save it, and just running this Python script. Okay, we got some error message here. So let's see. Copy and paste and ask ChatGPT that give me the new error code, new script based on these error codes. So yes, it removes that command from the devices. So as per earlier commands were provided under the devices, but now in the second clip it has removed. So now just copy and see how it reacts. Copy, paste and save, and I'm running the Python program. Let's see how it reacts. Yes, connected to 37. Okay, yes, looks like we are good, but 37 we got some error. So this is 37 means that is XR1. It's connected to Juniper, and this is the 38 which is connected to Arista. So we got output from XR1 and XR2, and this is the output from the Juniper device, but we didn't get output from the Arista. So let's copy and paste the same stuff here, and let's see. So for Arista is it is show ISIS neighbor. So again we should get some error here, but let's see. Copy and paste, save the new script, then run. Again same. So let's see. For ISIS it should be these steps. So let's try to ping ask ChatGPT. Okay, let's open one more window and then run the script again. Let's see the run the other old script. Okay, show ISIS neighbor. So let's try to get this answer from ChatGPT 4. So let's try to run the script. Okay, so we got some exceptions, so let's copy and paste it here. Let's try to copy and paste this where it asking fetch the device. So this option he is asking me to change, so let's copy and paste and save. So I'm running the script. Yes, so finally we got output from all the devices. 37.37 means it's XR1, the neighbor is Juniper, and .38 is XR2, neighbor is Arista, and 34 is Juniper, where neighbor is XR1 and Arista, and then last one is the Arista, where neighbor is Juniper and XR2. This is how we can get the any status from the router. Either it could be show ISI, show BGP, whatever you want, show MPLS information. We can fetch it from the devices using this script. So our last task is to check the connectivity using the ping. So this script is going to run the ping command for all of these loopback interfaces on these all 4 devices and using the count too. So let's copy and ask it to ChatGPT. Please provide me the program for this one. So here is the list of IP address which he wants to ping. This is the device specific information. This is the for loop. This is the ping. That's it. And let's see. Just copy and paste. So new file, then connectivity check .py, and just copy and paste this program, and then let's run this Python program here. Let's see what we get. So this is from XR1. Good. So let's check the status. This is from XR1 device. Everything is fine except for this 10.4.4.4. So there could be some connectivity issue. That's okay. This is from XR2.138. This is .134, that is from Juniper device. This is from .36, that is Arista device. So ping is working fine from all the devices. This is how we can check the connectivity, whether it could be ping, trace route, or anything. This is how ChatGPT can help you to build anything, any automation, network related automation, and you can use it even though you don't have any knowledge on that one. You just need to copy and paste. And in case if you face any challenges, if you get any error, just copy and paste that same error into the ChatGPT, and it's going to regenerate or provide the new program for you. And every time it can evaluate the error and it will improve the program and it will provide the new program every time, and you can get the final output. So this is it for the today's Python Netmiko session, and next session I'll try to cover the Ansible and Netconf. Thank you for watching it, and if you have any query, please comment below.